Hello everyone. So I believe you all have installed Anaconda in your system. And moving forward today, we will learn how we can write our first program in Python. And as usual, what is our first program? What would be our first program? So let's see how we can write. So I will just launch my Jupyter notebook from here. And even if you have not installed Anaconda prompt in your system, what you can do, you can just Google it. I believe you have watched the previous video in which I have explained how, like, the possible ways in which we can practice Python. So let me navigate. As you all know, I just practiced all my Python in D drive, and here I will launch my Jupyter notebook. This video is going to be very simple. Do not worry, I'm going to move very slow. But yes, definitely in moving forward, I will, like as soon as I start covering advanced topics, I will speed up. So this is my Jupyter notebook. So let us write our first program, but before that, let me rename my Jupyter notebook, my first program in Python. Rename it. It's very simple. So if you're writing your first Python program, this print function is going to help you a lot. Okay, so this is how we can do commenting in Python. We need to write this with this is a symbol which is present just above key 3, numeric 3. You have to press it, and then whatever you will write, it will get automatically commented. This is called one line commenting. I don't need to write it here, but yes, okay, this is called one line commenting. So let me write something for you, and you all can practice along with me. So I will write hello world. Okay, let me put this exclamation mark as well, and I will execute. To execute, I'm just pressing shift and enter. Yes. So see how easy it is to write your first program in Python, hello world. And I am like, for time being, I haven't decided that I'll provide any kind of notebooks like for these basic programs. What all I want you guys to do, just type along with me. See, Python is not a difficult language, right? It is one of the easiest language I have ever come across. So all you need is the very first thing is that you need to start typing. Do not do this copy paste, at least for the initial stage. When we will be like, when we can actually build some confidence for this Python, then definitely we can go for copy and pasting. In many ways, you will get everything available on Google. Just Google it and you will get the solution, right? But for now, if you are a beginner, if you know nothing about Python, and at least for the time till you are not confident enough, just keep on typing. Typing is the only way to practice Python. Okay, so this is the tip for you all, for all the beginners out there who are trying out Python for the first time, or any language. Even if like it is not Python, then also typing is the only key to learn any language.